Don't forget to subscribe, please, and share! We love science! We love tech! Engineering! You bet! Mathematics! We love that too! We love to laugh and learn and play with you! Domino and Jett! Hey! Domino and Jett! Hey! Domino and Jett! Hey! Domino and Jett! Hey! Jett, on your mark! Get set! Wow, Jett, that's a new record! Hey friends, as you can see, Jett is really fast. How do I know? Because I timed her with this cool stopwatch timer. And today, so we're gonna build our own timer. Doesn't that sound exciting? But first, we're gonna take a trip. Ready, Jett? Wasn't that fun, Jett? Now it's time to build a timer. So the timer we're gonna build is a marble timer. And it came in my latest Kiwi crate box. Marble timer. Let's open it up. Oh, liquid color. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instructions and put the timer together. It seems pretty easy. Now we're finished building our Kiwi crate marble timer. Now let's break down how this marble timer works. Once we drop a marble and it reaches the bottom, it pushes down the left side of the sort bar and pushes up the right side, which is attached to this long vertical bar. The long bar moves up to make this wheel turn, which drops another marble. We're gonna see if it works. But first, let's find out what really makes it a timer. For that, let's go ask CB. Hey, CB.
Domino, hey buddy, it's great seeing you. What's up?
It's great seeing you too, CB. We've just finished building a marble timer, and we want to know what makes it a timer.
Ha! I love timers, and this one is cool because it uses marbles. I love marbles. But what makes it a timer? I'll show you. First, we know that a timer is something used to tell how much time has passed. Like a clock or a stopwatch.
Like a stopwatch I use to time down and see what's running.
Exactly. Notice how the second hand on the clock and the seconds on the stopwatch tick once every second, with the exact same amount of time between each tick. Because each marble travels down the exact same path, it takes each one the same amount of time to reach the bottom. So So just like the ticking of the second hand on the clock and the seconds on the stopwatch, you can use your marble timer to keep time.
Wow, CB, that was great. Thanks for your help.
Anytime, my friend.
Okay, friends, that was helpful. Let's go put our marble timer to work.
But first, it's time for Domino's Book Nook.
Clap. Holy mackerel. Whoa! What is that? It's a ant. A what? A ant. A cybernetic formate a robot ant. They're called wants. How did you know that? I don't remember. How did you do that? I don't know. That was a few pages from Hilo, the boy who crashed the earth. I like this book because this boy has laser hands. This is an awesome book to read. There are more books in these series. See? Book 2, Book 3, and Book 4. Even Book 5. So go check them out. Until next time. Okay, friends. Now we're gonna see if I made this marble timer correctly. If I did, all 7 marbles will make it to the bottom on their own. Oh, hey, Jett, you're just in time. We're gonna see if this marble timer works. You put him in. Thanks, Jett. Now, to start it, all I have to do is push down this short bar and watch it go. Well, that's it for today. Join us next time for more